Today, I would like to introduce this CUT-50 Pro plasma cutting machine. It is a low-frequency cutting machine. The advantages are no high-frequency interference, higher tolerance for electronic equipment, and safer use with other equipment indoors comparing with high-frequency cutting machine. First of all, let's explain the panel of this machine. This machine adopts the front air meter design, which shows the intake air pressure in real time for easy viewing. 2T and 4T function is switched by the gear button. 2T means that press the torch switch to start arc, and loose the firing switch to break arc. 4T means that press the torch switch to start arc, and releasing the trigger will not break the arc. Press and release the switch again to break the arc. This button is for gas detection function. After we connect the air compressor. Firstly, let's turn on the air inspection function to check whether the ventilation is normal. After confirm the normal ventilation, we can switch the cutting function to carry out cutting operation. The current range of this welder CUT-50 Pro is from a minimum of 10 to a maximum of 50 ampere, which is adjusted through this electrode knob. We can find out that there are 3 lights on the screen. From left to right are the power supply, overheat indication, and cutting torch abnormal indication respectively. The power supply lights up normally, overheating protection, automatic overheat protection to avoid damages to the welding machine when welding a long time. Cutting torch abnormal indication. In view of the low frequency gun detection indicator light is normal. Compared with the 3-wire connection of the high-frequency torch. The central plug of the low-frequency torch is safer, more convenient to plug and unplug, and better protective of the wire harness. The nozzle used by the low-frequency torch has a professionally designed vent position to improve airflow performance and achieve better cooling and cutting effect. Let's connect the torch to this port. And we connect the ground clamp to the other port. Then the torch is installed. Oil-water separator installation. This single-cylinder oil-water separator is what we match for the welder. First of all, screwed up the gas meter. Then install the separation of gas interface on both sides. Be sure to tighten and avoid air leakage. Then install the extension holder to the screw holes. Then oil-water separator can be fixed to the extended support. The air meter is facing forward. The inlet pipe is connected to the left interface, and the outlet pipe is connected to the right interface. Connect the air inlet-outlet pipe below the machine. And then connect the inlet pipe to the air compressor. After all the connection is finished, we can adjust the air pressure. Please lift knob and adjust to the 0.5 pneumatic press. Then can start cutting operations. Firstly, let's show 5mm plate fast cutting. You can see that the cutting is no resistance. Secondly, let's show 10mm iron plate normal cutting. It's very easy to cut when turning the current on to maximum. Then let's show the normal cutting of 15mm iron plate. Still adjust the current to the maximum. It's easy to cut 15 mm iron plate easy with strong current. Next let's show 20 mm iron plate limit cutting. Adjust the current to the maximum as the last step. It's easy to cut 20 mm iron plate easy with strong current. Finally, let's show the limit cutting of 25 mm iron plate. Adjust the current to the maximum. Cut 25 mm iron plate successfully. Let's see how the cutting effect is. The 25 mm overall slit is smooth and high verticality.